sure exactly what I'm gonna build. I'm just gonna find all the scrap I can, and I'm gonna build myself a droid today. Bright sense.
Right.
The owner of Droid Depot is Wubo, who is just loves droids and just loves fixing things and putting things together and broken droids all over. He just collects all the parts and puts them together.
And we're going to build with the weird colors.
I'm going to build with whatever I want.
Well, that is the truth.
And the droid has to help me with archaeology, so I have to look for just like very specific configuration. Yes. They're pretty smart. They're kind of sassy, but they're pretty smart. I think it's by the top.
You found some?
Yeah, I see which one I want.
Right here you can, afterwards, if you want additional parts.
If you want different.
And there on the bottom, you actually can assemble all robots. You see, they have everything you can buy here. Yeah.
Are we building a droid today?
Yes.
Do we have a reservation?
Yes.
All right, you're all set.
Thank you.
We're going to go to the end of the railing. There's so far up.
The gray and the yellow with the little thingy on it, and then it's
Great.
hard to see, so it might be.
The black, I think it's a black, red, blue, and white.
And those are the colors for both of them, yeah?
I
they
think
are
so.
different, aren't they?
They are different, sharper, shorter, you're right. You see on the bottom they have a different thing.
And the blue is a chopper.
Hello.
Right. I want to build an R unit. All right, we're getting the whole thing, the whole shebang.
Cool. All right, so these are personality chips. So these are Scandal. These are first order chips. And these two are resistance chips. Do you know what affiliation you might want your droids to be in? All right. I can show you the Scandal ones.
Yeah, I want the scoundrel one. Resistance or scoundrel? I don't know. I like them both, but
For sure. So this is a blue one.
I want the red one. I got the red chip. It's a resistance
Where's
droid.
the red ones?
Red is resistance. The other one that I liked was the dark blue scoundrel, but I think I'm with red.
That's yours. That shows the pieces that you're going to need for your droid. These are the 4 pieces you'll need and the 5 different options you can choose for its head piece, okay?
Okay.
And then if you guys just want to grab a backpack out of the basket.
Oh, I like it. They're a little better than they were before.
Yeah, they are actually. They're a little bit bigger.
Okay.
We'll spend a lot of time
Okay,
because this
maybe I want this one. I don't know though. We'll see. I haven't even thought about the legs. Let's see, here's an R2. I'll probably want the, unless I can find gray legs. What about, I already have a white R2. So many. Oh, I see the one I want. This is the head that I want right here. It is. It's the head that I want.
It's Amy.
2 hours later.
There you go. There's a. So which one you want to go? Purple?
Well, I saw a purple one that I think I see it. I see it now.
I'll grab for you. So you decide not to go with that, yeah?
This is so cool though, but this, look.
Oh, you like that one?
Look at that. It could still go. Oh yeah, but is that too much like the blue one though? Remember, I have a blue one. I should, here, grab that
Which
top
one?
again, yeah. Sorry, you got like, I'm very indecisive.
Oh, it's fine. It's okay.
This one is too much like the one we have, and this one is, so
you leave it.
this is cool. This is still very cool, but too much like it.
Okay.
Back to the red body, I think. I think I'm happy. I think I'm good.
Okay, what?
There we go. All right. And now I just take all the parts over there, right?
To this lady.
I have a question. Do the chopper wheels work with this too?
But I think you sell up front them those wheels
Yeah.
also. Which
No,
one
I'll
will you
do
want?
with this. I'll keep with
You do
this.
this one? Okay.
Here's my packing slip.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bright Suns. Hello.
You have all the steps that you have to follow in this side. You're gonna use this one, step number 1. You have accessories over here. And if you have any questions, just press up there, okay?
Okay. Thank you. Okay, I'll stow this in my pocket for a little bit.
I think you can put a chip now in.
Huh? You think I can put the chip in
Yeah,
now?
you can ask.
I
Now
probably
look at
can.
this.
We
Look
can do it
at the clear
outside.
ones. Part.
What does that go to?
I don't know. Well, you follow the
first.
diagram.
Okay. I first put my legs on. Did I just poke
If you
it?
just twist it,
Twist it.
the legs, you just twist them. Or poke with screwdriver. It's going
Yeah,
hard.
can we get this off? Sorry, thank you.
There you go.
You're an expert at this, probably.
I'll take it if you want me to get it.
Thank you. Okay.
You can put them only one way. Nope. Other side, turn around.
Huh?
Turn leg around.
They don't grow, so I'm gonna check if
What do you mean turn the leg around?
This.
That way. Oh, gee. Look at me. So they all fit in there. You can see that there's actually some power that matches in there. So,
It has to be the other way.
huh? I want it the other way? Okay, thank you. Oh, yep, right there. One. I'll get in there. I think I got it. Yep. Okay. Then I put this in. Is there a front or back? This looks the same.
Okay, let me help you. See right here,
Oh, yeah.
groove.
I see the groove. There we go.
Yep. What about the personality chip?
Where do I want to? I can. I'll change it in a little
You
bit.
have a personality chip.
Oh, you got a personality chip? Okay.
Yeah.
That one is gonna go in this little window over here. You have to
Okay.
open it, and then that one's gonna go inside. Now you get to
You can get both probably.
it. It is yours as well, but that's what you guys have in your box. And then now put it in.
Is our groove?
No.
I'm not left-handed. There we go. Personality chip installed.
You also need these ones now.
I do, but I need to put the head on, sweetheart. There's also a groove here.
You can go only one way.
I know.
Groove, look for the groove.
I am looking. I do have the groove. It's a matter of getting it
Yeah, just fitting
on
properly. Yeah.
when you.
Just rotate slightly.
There we go. Yep.
That is a weird one. We don't have that one.
We don't have that one. I know that. Look at that. Okay. And I think now.
What colors? The white, black, blue, red.
Oh,
This is
the
a leg.
side. That's the leg. Oh, if that's the legs, then I definitely want to go this way.
Oh yeah, you want red. Can you turn towards me slightly? Thank you.
I'm putting it wrong. Can you see? And the other way. Let me put my phone away. Put this like that. There they are. Oh yeah, that looks good together. All right. Black. Oh, black's kind of cool. Or blue.
It'll become rainbowy. Every color.
Actually, I think I might go with two colors. What do you think?
That's fine.
Yeah, I think I'll do the two colors. That is rainbowy.
So you're going with patriotic, red, white, blue, yes?
I don't care about that. Patriotic colors are also always about complementary colors, and people don't think about it. It's just what looks good together. So they just make colors that are bright and stand out from each other, and whatever country's flag it is ends up being that. Okay.
You really have weird
I think
color
I'm ready. Thank you.
Let's activate it.
Is it on or?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay.
Don't move the remote.
Is it ready?
No? Yeah.
Okay. There. Look at that! Two different colored lights. Wow, cool.
And for this one, we are missing these little two pieces. Just pick one color.
One color. I don't have any gold there, so I think,
Silver.
huh?
Silver?
Yeah, I think silver. Silver fits it better.
For this, you have to push the legs back, like this.
Uh-huh.
This one here, like this.
And then it moves around.
This one is for the head, directions, and this one
Okay.
is for the noises.
And the noises, okay.
That one is for the extra accessories.
Oh, okay. All right, great. Oh, thank you. Right there, look, and they move. Look at this.
Oh,
And this is why you guys have a ridge here.
Almost run away.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you have to
We have a bag. Thank you.
Oh, we'll just. Well, you want to try it or?
Yeah, I want to try it. I'll take it out. No,
Yeah.
I'll take it outside, and I think I want
You
to
want to try it outside? Okay.
Yeah, I want to try it around outside. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bright sun.
Prices.
Okay, let's see it. Whoa, you got nice one there.
Oh, this, if we want it. How much is it, though, if I just get
12
one?
bucks, I think. Be careful so it does not fall down. Okay, you want to give me those arms or you want to put on arms on him?
I don't know.
This side arms, yeah.
Oh, yeah, definitely silver. Wow. Yep. There you go.
Nice.
The first order may require your service. Are you prepared to join? Good. And you will not betray us.
I wouldn't.
I thought not.
Enjoy your day in the outpost.
Okay, where you want to go try the boat?
By the other bots.
Right
Where
there
else?
by those boats?
No unauthorized transmission.
Wait here. It's an encrypted signal,
Oh,
sir.
look there.
Huh?
The
Yep, it's
communicating.
reacting to it.
I've lost connection with my comlink.
With the effort you
You want small, bigger wheel probably.
I wouldn't do that.
Emma, can you move away?
Apologies, sir.
No. Sorry. Move away.
Get him
Come.
out of your way. Sorry about that.
It's fine. Thank
Good,
you.
good. Thank you. Thank you.
There you go. Oh, there you go. They're gone. You
They're
can come
gone?
now.
Okay.
Okay. That
it's
is
very quiet.
Amy colors.
It's very quiet. It's stuck.
Yeah,
It's
you need
not
bigger
like
wheel.
Those, it's not like those BDX ones, yeah.
Yeah, you need bigger wheel for that.
That's why they sell them, probably.
You can go get bigger wheel if you want to. It's a crock. He's stuck in a crock now. Okay.
Yep, I'm good at it.
Okay, let's put in a bag. Yes.
Yep.
Oh, I'm okay.
Oh,
You want to put it in your bag?
yeah. I'll whack somebody with it. I'll whack someone with it.
Okay, I don't walk. It's actually a good sized backpack.
It
Have
is.
you seen it?
So that to keep them safer.
Celebrating an Origin Day. And what is your human's name who's celebrating the Origin Day? Yes, just give it